guys, simply AlRitch here. In this video, I will show you how you can organize your Facebook videos so that your fans or supporters can easily see your videos. So as you can see here, this is my Facebook page, simply AlRitch. And then you will see, if you want to check the videos, just go to the videos tab on your, or yes, the same thing on your mobile phone. But on your mobile phone, I think the first one that is showing will be the latest videos. Here in my Facebook page, it will show the most popular video. And then uh, if you scroll down, you will see here that I have a playlist. So that's one of the way to organize your videos. You can create different playlists according to different topics or categories. So these are my different playlists. So I have here my live stream videos. I think this is for 2021 to 2022. I just need to update the title, and then some of my cover song and teaser videos, live singing, live streams, food trips and challenges, some random videos. But if you haven't set up that yet, what you will see are this only, the videos. So as you can see, they are not categorized. So it will display by default the latest videos that you have uploaded. So this is my latest one, the fruit mukbang, and then I have a cover song, then another food challenge, a road trip. So for your viewers, like if you have a lot of videos, so for your viewers to easily find your videos by category, you can create a playlist so they can just check the latest videos that you have for your cover songs or for your uh, mukbang or something, or whatever topics that you have set up or created for your playlist. So let's update that one. I'm going to go here to manage playlist. So it will redirect you to Meta Business Suite. So Creator Studio has now moved to Meta Business Suite. So you will see here your how you can manage your Facebook and Instagram. But for this tutorial or video, let's just focus um, on our managing playlist. Okay, go to content, and then okay, but one more thing, guys. Here in your desktop view, or if you are using your laptop computer, the one that will be showing at the top, aside from the after the most popular videos, is the latest playlist that you have created when you are viewing from your laptop or desktop computer. So for example, this one, I created first the random milestone, food trips and challenge, live singing, my cover song, and the last one was simply a supporter. But I wanted to change that so that the my cover song and the teaser videos will be on the top. So a note, you should plan first what are your playlists, so that you can put what topic you want to be at the top. Like for this one, I don't want the live stream to be at the top, so I need to change this one. So I'm going to change this one. Okay, let's go here. Where is it? Collections. So go to collections and then playlist. So I'm going to okay, so these are my existing playlists. So when you create a playlist, for example this one, food trips and challenges, let's try to open that. So the video that you have uploaded, you can just add videos and add that video, and then okay, I'm going to show you. So in the video, there is, in the playlist there is a cover photo. So let's show that one. So for example this one, so there is a cover photo, and inside that playlist you will see the list of the videos. So these are for my cover song, so you can just change that one. Okay, let's try with the this one, food trips and challenges. I'm going to add, what is this, field to publish? Okay, I'm going to add this one, the dragon fruit mukbang. So those are my additional videos for my food trips and challenges. So I'm going to click save. Okay, so as you can see here, okay. So you can organize what will be at the top. So for example, if you want, okay, let's just view that one first. Okay, let's go to my page again. If those videos are now added, okay, okay, I'm going to refresh to see the changes. Okay, wow, thank you so much. This latest video is now getting more traffic. Thank you so much, Facebook, for suggesting my video. Okay, okay, as you can see, the new mukbang videos that I have are now added here to the this playlist. So I'm going to add more. Okay, I'm going to show you first how to create a new playlist. So I'm going to remove this playlist, for example, simply AlRitch. Okay, let's go back here to the collections. Okay, let's just create my 2023 Facebook live stream. Okay, supporters, simply AlRitch supporters appreciation live stream. So it is limited to 50 characters only. Okay, you can add a cover image. Okay, you can add a description, my monthly example appreciation live stream to my supporters where they can win Gcash. Okay, you can edit that later on. Okay, click on next, and then you can now select the videos that you want to add. So let's check here. Apple mukbang. Okay, this one simply AlRitch June 2023. Then click the publish playlist. Okay, so let's try to view that one here. Make sure to refresh the page. So okay, simply AlRitch supporters appreciation live stream. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can organize your videos under that playlist. So for example, this one, my cover songs, there are new cover songs that I have, so I'm going to add them. Okay, I think that is, so I'm going to save this one. So at first, let's see here, showing the Ba't Ikaw My practice session. So there are 13 videos. After I have added those, it becomes 28 videos. I'm going to refresh this one. Okay. So as you can see now, 28 videos, and then you can organize or reorder which will be at the top of the, or which will be shown first. So let's reorder this one. I want this. Okay, reorder. Click on the reorder. So I want this to be here, and then ikaw ang aking mahal. I like. So there's a custom. You can custom means your personalized order, but you can also select date posted newest and date posted oldest. So it will sort based on the date. Okay, so this is, I use the custom because I prefer this video to be shown first. So that's it, guys. What else? What else did we miss? Creative assets. You can also edit your posts. Okay, make sure you can also change the thumbnail images of your video. So just click the edit if you want to change the thumbnail so the viewers like it. Like if they like the thumbnail that is showing on your video, it plays an important factor. I think that's it, guys. I hope you learned something from my video. Why not apply it on your Facebook pages now, so your followers or supporters can easily check your videos or according to the different topics. Thanks for watching, guys. So I'm just going to continue this one, organizing my live stream playlist. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.